Okay, works. There we go. Let's hope it does. So just a quick shout out to Barry and anyone else who's wondering how to do light boxes and that kind of thing with Convertri, the new funnel builder. So it's Peter Buick here. I'm just a Convertri user like you. So let's take it just from a page. Let's just give it a name. There we go. Okay, so the most important thing about doing light boxes and pop-ups and that sort of thing excuse me, is we have whatever we got on our main page. So the most important thing is to actually create the pop-up first. So to create the pop-up we need the actual thing that's going to pop up. So we just go to layers up here. Okay, and we create a new layer. Okay, I'm just going to get Lightbox 1 or something. Okay, and it's going to be invisible, but also we're not editing at the moment, so we just click the select button, so we're actually editing it, and then we can close that. Now it looks as though nothing has happened. It looks like we're on the main page, but actually we're not. And don't fall into the trap of trying to make the pop-up, the Lightbox have a background. Use a panel instead. So we just drag a panel over. Now you'll notice that I can drop it over the main page, which kind of proves that it's actually the Lightbox. We can style this however we want. Okay, do whatever we want. We could have rounded corners. Actually, we've done that, so that'd be quite fun. Let's just do that for a second. Okay, so one rounded corner Lightbox, and we could add a little frame to it, whatever we want. So that's our Lightbox, and let's say that we've got some bit of content on it. Let's drag it over. Let's have where's my thing gone? There it is. Okay, so let's say that's our thing, but we also need a close gadget so that we can go back. So I'm just going to must add a button in here. Anyway, I'm just going to have a button here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the trigger on this to actually close the Lightbox. Okay, so normally that would be a button called close or something. We could use a text object, whatever you want. But basically I've select whatever I want to be the close widget, and then I go over to triggers and behaviors, which is this little star thing here. I need to add it, and we can do various things, but I'm just going to do click. So when I click on it, I am going to hide actually itself. Okay, and that's all I need to do with that. Okay, now I'm still working on the layer. I'm not I need to go back to the main page, so I'm going to go back to my layers palette, which is of course hiding now, and I've got that annoying little tag hint bug thing there. Right, so there we are, layers. So I'll just go over layers, and then I'm just going to hide the layer so that I can work back on my main page. Okay, it's still there, it will still work, but it's hiding. So now I'm just going to add whatever it is that's going to pop up my Lightbox. So it might be an image, or it might be a button, or it could be a bit of text, whatever we want to do. I've lost it again. Let's use that again. So let's say this is a button. Okay, and then we basically want to do the same thing. So we click on that. We go to triggers. Okay, this time we want to add it, and we're going to do it so that we could click and it would show that layer that the Lightbox that we just created. But in fact, I'm going to, rather than click, I'm actually going to do roll over. So when the mouse enters that thing, it's going to pop up. So that'd be much more like an image browse. So when I pop over this, it's going to pop that up. Okay, so I'm just going to save that. I'm going to publish it, demo Lightbox or something. Okay, that's that. There we go. And the little preview icon come up. Okay, so we're just going to look at that. So here's our thing, and when I roll over this, there's our pop-up, and now the pop-up's there. How do I close it? Well, I added that other close widget there, so I just roll over it, and there we are. So that could be a thumbnail, and you know, a small picture, and then we run over it and up it pops. So it could be, you know, pop your email in now and up pops this, and this could have the form on it and all that kind of stuff. So there we go. So that's it. I've been Peter Buick. Hopefully you like that little Convertri Lightbox tip, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now. And I'm just gonna close it out, and there we go. Bye bye.